Good morning, everyone. Th- Today, I'm going to tell the topic about cybersecurity vulnerabilities. So, when it comes to the cybersecurity vulnerabilities, it has some basic security concepts to be done. The basic security concepts has the degrees of harm, how the harmful degrees takes place, how the level of potential damage takes place, what are the parts of the system that includes for the security concepts. All those things will be covered in this PPT. So when we have the degrees of harm and also the level of potential damage, how the damages takes place and how the hackers harm the system without any security concepts will form. So it also includes all parts of the system. It has potential data loss, that is the main thing. The data or everything will get lost, and loss of privacy. So if you are using any private very important things to be saved, but if it gets hacked by anyone, that concepts also comes under the security. And inability to use the hardware, we cannot able to use the hardware at any cases. And inability to use the software, all the software will get deleted, where we cannot able to use it and get crashed. And also some countermeasures takes place for the basic security concept. So what are the countermeasures is that the steps that taken to block a threat. A threat can be taken place, and also the steps should be taken to block a threat and also to protect the data from the theft. So when the theft takes place, that is when they are hacking the data, we have to immediately take on the steps to block the threat. So we can block it, or we can do anything, we can complain, we can protect the system from the theft. So these are the countermeasures that should be taken when there is a form of a threat. So the threat to the users, where we can identify, there will be some identity theft also taking place. It has some impersonation by the private information, and also the thief can become the victim, and reported incidents also be rising, and also the methods of stealing the information. So these informations also be done by the form of a shoulder surfing. The snagging takes place, dumpster diving, social engineering, high tech methods. This is also the one kind of stealing information that has a thief or a victim. So this has some private informations which we consider it as a regular one, but here the stealing will be informed to the users, where in the form of a shoulder surfing, snagging, dumpster diving, and social engineering, and also some high tech methods. So how come a threat will be done in the form to the user? It will be forming in the form of loss of privacy. A privacy will be lost everywhere. Everyone can see whatever you are doing it, whatever the data that you are giving. The hackers can able to find out your personal information that is stored electronically. And also you can able to purchase the stored in the database. So you're going to purchase it later, so you will save it in your database. Further on, you will use all those data to find out how what you have saved. All those things also can be data. So the data will be stored to other companies, and that companies will be knowing that you need that, and those information will be served and will be sent to you. So this is also one kind of threat that can be done. So the public records on internet. So when we take, there will be different companies will be calling us, but we would have not given the number to them, but we will get those calls from different companies. How come they got our numbers? This is also one kind of threat where the hackers takes place. The public records on the internet, and internet use and monitored, and it also logged. So when you are it is always monitoring, and there is a login option is also there. So none of these techniques are illegal. So okay, it's a kind of a legal thing, but what we do is it is only then with the help of a kind of a good hacking system to get the information, so that the business part takes place in a good way. Whereas in the form of the threats to users in the cookies, the files will be delivered from a website and originally improved a site function. The cookies now they track the history and also the passwords that you have given, and it will give you. The browsers will also include some cookies blocking tools also will be there, so that It gives us a secured path where there won't be any viruses or trojan or any viruses takes place and damages our system. So, in the form of threats to users, the next one is the spyware. So, the spyware is a software downloaded to a computer. So, why this software is downloaded is because it is designed to record our personal information. We can record the personal information and we can typically undesire the software and it can hide from the users also. So, so there are lots of programs that exist still, and there is also lots of programs that get eliminated. So in the form of a web bugs, the small programs will be embedded in the gif images. I hope everyone have seen that. So it gets around the cookie blocking tools, and also it uses the track usage from different variety of companies, and also it will block with the spyware killers will block the unwanted software so that the threats will be get reduced. And also in the form of a spam. A spam is nothing but a commercial on that is an unsolicited commercial email which you get it. If you click on that, you will get attacked or you get threat. The networks and PCs, which you need a spam blocker so that it will stop getting those informations or mails from the other spammers acquire the addresses using many methods, and there are lots of methods used in spam to reduce the threats. So it affects the operation or reliability, and it has a power related threats also, the power fluctuations and also the power loss, and the countermeasures to surge the supervisors and the line conditioners. It also done in the form of threats to hardware, the theft and vandalism, and also the countermeasures. So the most serious threat is the data is the reason for computers, and also the data will be very difficult to replace. So the protection also will be more difficult. Okay, so that is how you have to protect your data from the different threats. As we say that the threats to data can be done in the form of hacking, so using a computer to enter another network is also well versed. And also some hackers motivation is there, we can recreate the hacking, financial hackers, the grudge hacking, all those things take place. And also there are lots of hacking methods also there, like sniffing, social engineering, spoofing, all those things is also find of hacking methods. So these are the things that can be distributed in the denial of service, and also we can attempt to stop a public server. That is how we can do it, and we can simultaneously get launched by doing the code, and also we can stop many requests as the server. So this is how a threats taken place, how the data has been observed by everywhere all over the thing, and how we can able to protect those. These are the things that we saw in this PPT. Thank you.